Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your account has a supported Teams license and an Exchange Online mailbox, because voicemail stores messages there. Once confirmed, go to the Teams Admin Center to enable voicemail policy and assign a phone number if your organization uses calling. Now sign into the Teams desktop or web app. Signing in ensures your client syncs voicemail settings. Make sure to use your work credentials and keep the Admin Center open if you need to toggle settings during setup. Next, you configure voicemail behaviors inside Teams. Open calls, then voicemail settings. Record a personal greeting so callers know they reached you, because a clear greeting reduces callback friction. Then set call answering rules. Choose when voicemail picks up, enable transcription if you want searchable text, and route copies to your email for backup. Also define how Teams handles busy and out-of-hours calls. These rules determine whether callers go to voicemail or are redirected, which prevents missed. Finally, test the setup by calling your number from another account. Leave a message to verify the greeting, storage, and transcription. If you don't see messages, check your Exchange mailbox quota and inbox rules, because full mailboxes or transport rules often block voicemail delivery. Also, make sure the correct voicemail policy is assigned to your user in the Admin Center. If problems continue, restart the Teams client and confirm the service health status, contacting IT with screenshots of policy speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.